Did you guys see Dougie on In the Jungle last year? And, what penis was it you ate last year? That's not
It was a bush buck penis, and his name was Joey.
Oh, poor old Joey. Poor old Joey.
Oh, here's a song.
This is called Love Is Easy. Give it up for the ukulele. Let me see those hands in the air, Manchester. Oh, I love you.
Today, like the clouds away, I hear what the flowers say. I drink every drop of rain, and I see the places that I have been, the ways that I've never seen. The side of the grass is green. Oh, I can't believe that it's so simple. It feels so natural to me. This is life, life is easy. It's the easiest thing to do. If this is love, love completes me. Cause it feels like I've been missing you. A simple equation with no complications to leave you confused. If this is love, 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 it's the easiest thing to do. You know that, for the way that I do, to watching the gray skies blue and make dirty streets look new. Oh, when the birds sing sweet, and now I know exactly what they mean. Oh, can't believe that it's so simple. It feels so natural to me. If this is love, love is easy. It's the easiest thing to do. If this is love, love completes me. Cause it feels like I've been missing you. Simple equation, no complications, leave me confused. If this is love, 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 hey, what? It's the easiest thing to do. In you, a simple equation and no complication to leave you confused. No, this is love, 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 love. Hey, it's the easiest thing to do. Oh, this is love, 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 Thank you so much. I think my trousers have shrunk in the wash.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You all having a good time?
Men Arena.
It's bloody lovely to be back. Yes. I'm nearly home. 20 miles out where I live. Anyone from Bolton? Anyone from Bolton? Yeah!
Everybody seems to be from Bolton.
Anybody support Bolton? Yeah! So,
I support Panathinaikos. Best team in the world.
no idea.
Yeah, because Dougie's half Greek.
aren't you?
Yep.
Yep. Okay.
Guys, thank you very much for having us. We only have one more song. We have to go. Sorry.
Hey, before we go, let's try this. Everyone say, hey! Everyone say, who? Everyone say, Tom's the best looking dude in the world on Race Race Week. Look at it right now!
Why are you saying it, mate?
Sorry, you didn't do it. Here's a song.
Thanks for having us. This is called Shine Light. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone.
Show me what you got, Manchester.
Let's go!
Tell me you're feeling strong, strong to love someone,
And make it through the hardest storm. And bad weather.
will you play
And from the flames till I feel no pain. And give me shelter from the rain. Forever. Where can I find? Sing it to me! She took the light and let me in the dark. Yeah. She left me with a broken heart. Yeah. Now I'm on my own. If anybody sees her, shine.